What if I told you that Samsung is about to change the smartphone industry forever? No, this isn't just another foldable phone. It's something even crazier. Imagine a device that expands at the press of a button, seamlessly transforming from a compact phone into a full-fledged tablet. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, Samsung is making it a reality. But here's the big question. Will this rollable phone be the upgrade we've been waiting for, or just another tech experiment doomed to fail? Let's dive in. So, what exactly is a rollable phone? Unlike foldables, which use a hinge to open and close like a book, a rollable phone features a flexible display that extends and retracts by rolling inside the device. When you need a bigger screen, just press a button, and the display smoothly unrolls. And when you're done, it rolls back inside, making the phone compact again. Samsung has been teasing this technology for years, but now the wait might finally be over. After showcasing their Rollable Flex prototype at CES 2024, reports suggest that Samsung is preparing to launch the first commercially available rollable smartphone. If true, this could be one of the biggest tech innovations in years. But here's where it gets interesting. Samsung's rollable phone might come with a massive 12.4-inch display, larger than Huawei's recently announced Mate X-T, which features a triple folding design. That's right. While Huawei is trying to perfect foldables, Samsung seems to be skipping a step and going straight to rollables. But is it the right move? The battle for the most innovative smartphone is heating up. While Huawei and Xiaomi are focusing on perfecting triple folding designs, Samsung is betting big on rollables. And if rumors are true, this device could even replace the Galaxy Z Fold lineup next year, marking a huge shift in Samsung's strategy. But with all this excitement, there's one major concern: durability. We've seen foldable phones struggle with long-term reliability. So the question is, will rollable displays be strong enough for everyday use, or will they break just as easily? That's something only time will tell. One thing's for sure: Samsung is about to shake up the smartphone industry again. But will they dominate the rollable market before other brands catch up? Or is this just another experiment that won't survive long-term? Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you're excited about futuristic smartphones, check out my video on Samsung Z Fold 7 breaking every limit. You won't want to miss it. With that said, thanks for watching Techie Sumit, and until next time.